acting like a bitch?
Because I gave you too many chances to understand that
الإمام علي بالأسد بشر.
I don't even have to give a K. He just call me baby, he don't call me Tay. He whip up that.
something's in my ass.
My girlie beating okay. I just might marry that nigga today. But then I found out that Mickey was gay. Oh, Mickey is so fine.
Boy, me, Bob.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Promise me you'll never eat at Arby's. Oh, I'm fucking tired.
Oh, thank you, Freddy. You saved the town from that evil prolapse anus.
Where does babies come from?
Dude, what the fuck?
Show us porn in the club.
What the f is this?